about your paper number 202C, Organic Chemistry. In this paper, today we are going to discuss about unit number 1, stereochemistry. In earlier lectures, we have discussed about your unit number 3, rearrangements, that we have completed earlier in offline classes. ત્યારે તમે જ્યારે ક્લાસીસના અંદર રૂબરૂમાં આવતા હતા ત્યારે આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 3 રીઅરેન્જમેન્ટ્સ એ પૂરું કર્યું. આજે આપણે અહીં તમારું નવું યુનિટ શરૂ કરવાના છીએ, યુનિટ નંબર 1, સ્ટીરિયોકેમિસ્ટ્રી. In this paper, stereochemistry, you have mainly many points related different stereoisomers or conformational isomers, right? So first of all, we will discuss about its syllabus and then we will start this unit. The first point of this unit is introduction. The first point of this unit is introduction to conformation, and conformational analysis. So this is your first point in stereochemistry, introduction to conformational and conformational analysis. એટલે કન્ફર્મેશન શું છે અને કન્ફર્મેશનલ એનાલિસિસ એટલે શું, જે બંને આપણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં ડેફિનેશન અને એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. Conformation of cyclohexane. Second point is conformation of cyclohexane and its mono, di and polysubstituted polysubstitute derivatives conformation of exactly per hydroanthracene and per hydrophenanthrene. in the study of conformational analysis. Role of spectroscopy in the study of conformational analysis means spectroscopic study of conformational analysis. And last point is conformation and reactivity. Role of spectroscopy in the study of conformational analysis, conformation and reactivity. We can say that also. So this way there are these all points for the study of stereochemistry in your syllabus. So we will discuss it, but today we will start with some introductory portion, so you will get more idea. In offline classes, students, I have already told you about the structure, drawing of the structure means how to draw the structures, what are the main things, how you can draw it properly, and everything I have told you earlier. But still today we will start with its some introductory portion, how you can draw chair form, bot form, Newman projection formula, Fisher projection formula. But in short, I will explain you, because in earlier semester, we can say that in UG you have already studied about the stereochemistry, right? In earlier semester you have already studied about this stereochemistry. So we will start with some introductory portion. So first of all, what is stereochemistry? Stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with three-dimensional structure of the molecule in a space. Like stereochemistry means study of structure of molecules in which different arrangements of atom relative to each other in a molecule. The study of the arrangements of atoms in a molecule in three dimensions is called stereochemistry. So this is the branch of chemistry in which we will mainly concentrate the structure, 3D structure in space. Right? Means it is a spatial arrangement. Different molecules have different spatial arrangements, and in a same molecule they have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different, we can say, different spatial arrangement. They all are called stereoisomers. So with this stereochemistry, you need to understand stereoisomers. Stereoisomers means compound have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but their atoms of a molecule have different spatial arrangement are called stereoisomers. Means they have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but spatial arrangement of atoms of a molecule is different. So they all are called stereoisomers. So we will have some idea about this before starting. Conformation, isomerism and isomers. What are isomers? Isomers are having same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties. એને આપણે કહીએ isomers જેને different chemical and physical properties different હોય. Same molecular formulas, they all are called isomers. There are mainly two types of isomerism, structural and stereo. Structural isomers and stereo isomers. From where this concept is taken, so we will start it with from the first, so you will get better idea. We are here. I am just describing here a flow diagram for or flow chart for different types of isomers. Isomers are mainly of two types: structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers are also called constitutional isomers. They are also called constitutional isomers, and these are stereoisomers. So structural isomers, we can say there are many types of structural isomerism, like chain isomerism is chain isomers, functional group isomers, positional isomers. Means in chain isomerism they have same molecular formula but different chain arrangement. In functional group isomers, same molecular formula but different functional groups. In positional isomers, there is same for we can say molecular formula for both the isomers, but there is difference is only in position. configurational isomerism or isomers and conformational. So you have already studied about this all configurational and conformational isomers, but I am describing here the types of them, so you will get an idea. Configurational isomerism, it is of mainly two types: optical isomerism or optical isomers and geometrical isomers. This configurational isomerism you have already studied in earlier standard. It is a type of optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. In that you have discussed about or you have studied about enantiomers, diastereomers, etc. That all are we can include in configurational isomers, means a different spatial arrangement. And this is somewhat different. Conformational isomerism or conformational isomers, it is mainly of two types: staggered and eclipsed. So we will discuss this in detail. Mainly you have studied, you have already studied this all in earlier semesters, in undergraduate, you have idea about this all optical isomers, geometrical isomerism, and this all chain isomerism, functional group isomerism, positional isomerism, metamerism, topomerism. All things you have studied. This is just an overview, but still today we will concentrate on the stereo isomers, right? આ બધું તો તમે પહેલા અગાઉના સેમેસ્ટરના અંદર ભણી જ ગયા છો, જેના પર વધારે કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. ટુડે અવર main point is stereo isomers and conformational isomers, and conformation is our main point today. So we will discuss it in detail, so you will get better idea. So stereochemistry or stereoisomers are having same molecular formula, same structure, but different, means here we can say same bonding connectivity. Same bonding connectivity but different spatial arrangement. They all are called stereoisomers. Now, configurational isomers. They have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different spatial arrangement. Right? We can draw different 3D structures in space, so they all are called configurational isomers. Same molecular formula, same but different 3D arrangement of atoms of a molecule. એટલે કે તેના પરમાણુઓની અણુના અંદર 3 ડાયમેન્શનલમાં ગોઠવણી એ ડિફરન્ટ હોય એને આપણે કહે છે સેમ બોન્ડિંગ કનેક્ટિવિટી. હિયર સેમ મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા you all know very well. Right? So this is one structure and same bonding connectivity means here carbon it is attached with this OH group, one with OH group, second with CH3, third with H and fourth with Cl. Same bonding connectivity means here also so another isomer have same bonding connectivity but different spatial arrangement. Spatial arrangement is different. You can see here this is different and this one is also different. Means you have already studied in earlier standards rectors, semisters, RS nomenclature, RS isomers. They all are types of configurational isomers. Right? You have already studied in earlier semesters. But you might forgot, you may not remember this all things properly, so I have described it over here so you will get idea. So these all are configurational isomers and if now we are talking about conformational isomers. Conformational isomers. Then conformational isomers are the minimum requirement for this conformational isomers are minimum 1 cc single bond must be present in this. So we cannot take example of methane for conformational isomers, but because conformational isomers are CC single bond rotation and different spatial arrangement means it is a type of, here I am drawing conformational isomer. First of all we can say that same molecular formula, same bonding connectivity, same bonding but different spatial arrangement, different spatial arrangement of atoms in a molecule around CC single bond. Means compound must have CC single bond. So we cannot take here the example of methane because methane does not have another carbon. CC single bond is not present in methane, so we cannot take this example in for a conformational isomers, but we can have example of C2H6 bond. So there is a requirement is only minimum 1 cc single bond. There should be 1 cc single bond so they can have conformational isomers, right? The molecule have conformational isomers. If it does not exist cc single bond, there is no existence of conformational isomers, right? So what is the basic requirement for conformational isomer? Configurational isomers can exist in any. It is not rotation around cc single bond. They all are different in 3 dimension only. The arrangement in space is different. They all are called configurational isomers. But for conformational isomers, there is basic requirement is only 1 cc single bond. So here you can see the structure, and if we hold one carbon and rotate the another carbon from the another side, then it will change in another structure. So you can see here, this is a straight line, this one is dotted line, the hydrogen attached with dotted line, and this is bold line, right? So these all hydrogen are in different direction. They all are not for showing them in a different direction, in different axes. We have described them by different lines. This is straight line, this in this board. This is by dotted lines means back side of the board. This is in bold line attached in bold line, so this is in front of the board. So here you can imagine the whole structure. If we hold this carbon and rotate this carbon, then structure may be like this. So if we hold this carbon and we rotate this CC single bond around this CC single bond, means in this direction, so the hydrogen attached with this carbon will rotate in space and we will get this structure. So these both are, we can say, conformational isomers. Rotation around CC single bond and the another isomer we will get is called conformational isomer. So these both are this way we can describe conformational isomers, and the study of these isomers and their stability and all property is called conformational analysis. According to its structure, the study of their stability of the molecule and another properties is called conformational analysis. So this way we can describe this conformational analysis. So now here we have definitions for a stereochemistry that I already told you, branch of chemistry which deals with the three-dimensional arrangement of different atoms of a molecule with respect to each other in space around it is called stereochemistry. Configuration of an organic molecule represent an exact 3D arrangement configurational isomers. Now we discuss about conformational isomers. So conformational isomers can be discussed only for those organic molecule which possesses conformation can be discussed only for those organic molecule which possesses at least 2 carbon atoms directly attached with each other. આપણે કન્ફર્મેશન નો સ્ટડી એ માત્ર એવા કાર્બનિક પદાર્થની અંદર જ કરી શકીએ છીએ જેના અંદર એટલીસ્ટ એક કાર્બન કાર્બન સિંગલ બોન્ડ આવેલો હોય. એના સિવાયના મોલેક્યુલના અંદર જેમ કે મિથેનનો મોલેક્યુલ છે તો એના માટે કન્ફર્મેશનનો સ્ટડી કરી શકાતો નથી. So here I have described the structure of ethane. We can study the conformation for it. It has been observed that the entire molecule of ethane can undergo different spatial arrangement changes just by single bond rotation. Means hold this one carbon and rotate this another carbon. Like this, our finger, there is in center one carbon, 3 different atoms attached with it, and here also 3 different atoms attached with this. These both are the carbon attached with single bond, and if I am holding this hand and rotating this hand, you can see here by holding this hand straight, rotating this carbon in direction, and we will get different spatial arrangement. So this is called conformational isomerism. Different structural arrangement obtained as a result of different structural arrangement obtained as a result of free rotation. Different structural arrangement obtained as a result of free rotation around CC single bond are treated as the conformation of that molecule. Moreover, the relative study of stability of different conformation possible for same molecule is known as conformational analysis. Here I am writing its definition so you will have idea. Different structural arrangement obtained as a result of free rotation around CC single bond. Conformational treated as the isomers of that molecule of that molecule. So this is the definition of conformational isomers. Moreover, the relative study of stability of different conformation possible for same molecule. For same molecule is known as conformational analysis. So this is how we can say that the introduction, what I told you in the starting, introduction of stereochemistry, what is stereochemistry, what are stereoisomers, we have discussed all. Now here you can see conformational isomers and conformational analysis. So it is very simple. If you just concentrate on this, it will be very easy for you if you understand this all things in the starting. So I have drawn here the structure, 3D structure of the isomer also. If possible, then I will show you the model for this conformational isomer in the next session. I will try to get that model so you can get better idea. What are conformational isomers? Different structural arrangement obtained as a result of free rotation around CC single bond are treated as the conformational isomer. That I told you with this example. If I am holding this carbon, એટલે કે હું આ કાર્બનને પકડી રાખું અને આ સામેનો બીજો કાર્બન છે એને જો રોટેશન આપવામાં આવે અને એનાથી જે અલગ-અલગ અરેન્જમેન્ટ થાય તો આ જે સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે એના બીજા અલગ-અલગ આઇસોમર્સ બનતા જશે અને એને કહેવાય કન્ફર્મેશનલ આઇસોમર્સ. ફર્સ્ટ આઇસોમર I have drawn here, so you have better idea. Moreover, the relative study of the stability of different conformation possible for same molecule. Same molecule ના અલગ-અલગ આવા સ્ટ્રક્ચર બનશે. આ મોલેક્યુલ તો સેમ જ રહેવાનો. તમે જોઈ શકો છો સેમ બોન્ડિંગ કનેક્ટિવિટી છે. ઇથેનનો મોલેક્યુલ છે. દરેક હાઇડ્રોજનને આપણે નંબર આપી દઈએ તો હાઇડ્રોજનના નંબર આપી શકીએ અથવા તો બોન્ડ દ્વારા અલગ-અલગ બતાવી શકીએ. તો તમે અહીંયા આગળ જોશો તો અહીંયા આગળ 1 2 3 સેમ રહેશે, બટ અહીંયા આગળ 1 આ 2 અને આ 3 મીન્સ આનું રોટેશન આમ થઈ ગયું છે, બરાબર. અને એના કારણે આપણને બીજું આઇસોમર, બીજું સ્પેશિયલ અરેન્જમેન્ટ અહીંયા આગળ મળે છે, બરાબર. તો moreover, the relative study of stability of different conformation possible for same molecule. Same molecule means this is the same molecule, ethane, is known as conformational analysis. Means study of stability of different conformational isomers of same molecule. conformational analysis. Conformational analysis એટલે માત્ર એક જ મોલેક્યુલના અલગ-અલગ conformational આઇસોમરના સ્ટેબિલિટીના એના સ્ટડી કરવાનું જે મેથડ છે એને conformational analysis કહેવાય છે. So this is very simple, students, and now we will draw here a different structure for this ethane molecule. Different conformational isomers. Before drawing that all conformational isomers of ethane, first of all we will have some idea about three-dimensional structure drawing methods. Sohor's method, Sohor's representation, so in this Sohor's representation, Sohor's has represented in this Sohor's representation formula, CC single bond is shown by this thin line. આ Sohor's representation છે જેના અંદર આપણે કાર્બન કાર્બન સિંગલ બોન્ડ ને ત્રાસી લાઈન થી ટિલ લાઈન થી બતાવીએ છીએ. And another atoms attached with carbon we can show by ordinary lines or this dotted and bold lines. So this is called Sohor's representation. Newman projection formula. The same structure we can draw in Newman projection formula as Newman projection formula. In this, the front carbon we can draw it by a dot. Means if this is a front carbon, then we can give number it here H1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these three hydrogen attached with this carbon and these three hydrogen attached with this second carbon. So this dot over here, dot is the front carbon. Means carbon near to the viewer. जो नानी पासेनो આગળનો કાર્બન છે. So we will draw here the hydrogen H1, H2, H3. Here you can see this is the front carbon. આપણી પાસેનો કાર્બન છે તો એની સાથેના H1, 2, 3 જે મેં અહીંયા ડ્રો કર્યા છે. The rear carbon મતલબ પાછળનો કાર્બન. Carbon away from the viewer. Circle is back carbon. Away from the viewer. તેમાંથી હવે આપણે જોઈએ સર્કલ ઇઝ ધ બેક કાર્બન, જે પાછળનો કાર્બન છે એ છે, બરાબર. તો એને આપણે અહીંયા આગળ જોઈએ તો એના સાથે અટેચ થયેલા છે, તો એને આપણે આ રીતે H4 H5 ને H6 જે બધા એક્ઝેક્ટ આ જે રીતે છે એક્ઝેક્ટ એ રીતે જ આના ઉપર છે, પણ પાછળની બાજુએ છે તો એને દેખાડવા છે તો સ્લાઇડલી બહારની સાઈડ દેખાડીશું. તો આ જે ડ્રો કરવાની મેથડ છે જે તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લેજો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, જેનાથી તમને આગળ ન્યુમાન પ્રોજેક્શન ફોર્મ્યુલા કે સોર્સ રિપ્રેઝન્ટેશન ડ્રો કરવામાં પ્રોબ્લેમ ન થાય. એ ઉપરાંત પણ મેં તમને કીધું એવી રીતે ચેર ફોર્મ, બોટ ફોર્મ, એક્સિયલ, ઇક્વિટોરિયલ કાર્બન્સ ને હાઇડ્રોજન્સ અને એટમ્સ જે હોય કાર્બન સાથેના એ ડ્રો કરવાની પણ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લેજો, જેનાથી તમને આગળ સ્ટડી કરવામાં સ્ટીરિયો કેમિસ્ટ્રીમાં ઈઝી રહે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ હાઉ વી હેવ discuss this source representation and Newman projection formula, જેના નામની તમારે જરૂર નથી, કદાચ તમારી કોઈ બુકની અંદર આ મેન્શન ન કરેલું હોય, પણ આ મેથડ છે રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવાની મોલેક્યુલને, જે તમારે આગળ દરેક જગ્યાએ આ સ્ટ્રક્ચરથી તે તમારે સ્ટડી કરવાના આવશે, જેના લીધે તમે આ ડ્રો કરવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લેજો પ્રોપરલી. અહીંયા આગળ મેં કીધું એવી રીતે આ ડોટેડ કાર્બન છે, ડોટેડ જે છે એ આગળનો ફ્રન્ટ કાર્બન છે, સર્કલ ઇઝ અ બેક કાર્બન, પાછળનો કાર્બન છે બોર્ડની પાછળનો, બરાબર. એ રીતે એની સાથે અટેચ થયેલા હાઇડ્રોજન આપણે જોઈએ અહીંયા આગળ, બરાબર. તો આ રીતે ડ્રો કરી શકાય થ્રી ડાયમેન્શનને. કઈ રીતે અહીંયા બોર્ડ ઉપર ડ્રો કરવું એ અહીં એની અલગ અલગ પ્રોજેક્શન ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે લીધી. We are concluding our lecture here. In the next session we will discuss our remaining portion like